Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a different kind of flower. Um, these are all the laces which have gone brittle. Okay, so I'm using gold paste, magic gold paste lace. So it became very brittle. So it has dried up. This has been there for almost now 3 months. So with that, I'm going to do a flower. So what are the material which is needed for that? We need wafer paper flower, then all the pieces of the laces, whichever lace color lace you have. Then I have three different sizes. One is the large size, one is the medium size, one is a smaller size. Okay, I'll just quickly show you one petal, and from there we can do the assembly of the flower. So three sizes, you can cut any sizes. The most important thing which we need is the gold dust. Then we have the gum paste or the flower paste, whichever you want. Centers, not the centers where you have to stick it. This would be the center. I use this to make this. Okay. Then I'll be needing, if need be, I'll be using. I like this airbrush color very much, so I use this. Now I've used magic flower paste for this, so it dries very fast. It's quite good. And the most important thing is the corn syrup. So I prefer using corn syrup for this, the simple corn syrup which is available in the market. That is what I'm using. Right? So I'm not using a piping gel, I'm not using water. So for that, I'm quickly show one petal. So in this, I'm going to put a little bit of corn syrup, very little. I'm brushing, right? So put this aside. Now I'm going to stick the laces onto it, whatever the dried lace onto it. I prefer the rough side than the smooth side of the wafer paper. So you can see you can stick how much ever you want. Why? Because this gives a nice shine also to the petal, right? So next is what you have to do is you have to cut very little. You can see till here. Then give it a cup. You can cup it very nicely. You can cup it lightly also. All the others I've cupped it very light. So this is cupped. Okay. I'm going to just let it dry. I'm just keeping it here. I do have a wet cloth or a wet tissue so that you can clean your hand. So I'm going to assemble the flower now. This can be put directly on top because gum paste again or flower paste or gum paste again is edible. The wafer paper is edible. All the laces are edible. Okay. Right. Just use a tissue paper to hold my brush. Okay. This is what I'm using. So all are ready and cupped. So I'm using 6 down portion. Okay, I can use only 5 now because there is no space. Yeah, a little bit down. You can see already the flower is getting ready. A little down. Yeah. Right. So I'm just putting the smaller one on top of it. I'm just sticking it up. Okay, you are able to see. I'll just push the camera front. Yeah. I'm just opening it up so that you'll be able to see the flower. Yeah. Right. This goes into the center. This is okay, or shall I come closer? Yeah. I'm going to stick the medium sized petal. I'm wiping my hands. So that your hands doesn't become very sticky. Okay, let's assemble the petals. 1, 2. Okay, push it back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Or shall I put the bigger one? Yeah, this is very big. I'll just take it out. 5. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just giving a little movement to the petals. This also looks full now. But I'll put the smaller petals. I think 3 petals I'll put the smaller ones. Right. So I'm just adding one more in the center. I'll use corn syrup. Yeah. Actually, this can be enough also. But anyway, we'll do 3 of it. I'll bring it closer. Right. This is not cupped properly. So let me cup this. I'm cupping this properly. And positioning it. Right? I'm adjusting. Let's see whether this will fit or this will become very big. This will be too big, so I'm just going to cut it off. I'll just put one in the center. Yeah. Just putting this in the center. Yeah. Now this flower is complete within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Let's do the coloring. I'm going to use a little bit of dust, and also the center I'm going to paint it with gold airbrush color. Okay, this is how you can use the any color also. You can use any colored lace also. You can use without throwing it away. Doesn't it look pretty? Okay, so let's do the dusting. So this is the dust color. So I'm going to push it in this only. So only the edges. I'm removing the excess dust. I can also do the center. With the dust only. I hope I covered everything Yeah, this needs a little bit. Right? You can color the back side also if you want. But since once you put it on the cake, the back side, it's going to come like this. Okay? So it won't show actually. Okay? This is going to stay like this on top of the cake. Yeah. So if you want, you can color the back side or you can leave it. Now I'm going to do the center coloring. As you can see, it is stuck. There is absolutely no problem. And this will go like this. Yeah, it will go like this. Perfect. So I'm just coloring with airbrush color, and I'll put a pearl in the center. Look at that. I love magic gold. Brilliant color actually. Right? I'm going to put on top of this dummy. As you can see how brilliant it looks. Yeah. How does it look? You can adjust the petals. How does? I think it looks brilliant. I'll just put a pearl in the center. Yeah. These are my lotuses actually. Look at that. This is the petal which we made now. Look at the brilliance. Just put the brush down so you are able to see. See the billions of gold also. It's perfect. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you'll try it. This can go on top of wedding cakes also. Hope you will try it and tag me to the post also. Thank you for watching.